It's 2020, it's the start of a new year. This is going to be a really good year for not only me, but for you guys as well. 2020 just has a good ring to it, you know what I mean? So I feel like whatever your goals are, you're going to reach them. So
this is truly an unprecedented situation.
This virus doesn't discriminate. It attacks everyone.
I want every American to be prepared for the hard days that lie ahead.
The coronavirus has changed life as we know it across America. The timeline starts on January 21st.
This is certainly not a moment for panic or high anxiety. It is a moment for vigilance.
I have today declared that the coronavirus presents a public health emergency in the United States.
Okay, now before you say anything, I know I'm in desperate need of getting a haircut. I know that, so don't even. Okay? Now, for those of you who actually care about how I make or structure my Instagram posts, it's quite simple. So in terms of pictures, I take a lot of pictures just here at home, and then I put them into Lightroom, and then I just edit them. For most of my pictures, I just turn the highlights down all the way, and then I turn the exposure up a bit, and then dehaze it plus 20, and then turn the saturation up as well. That usually does the trick for most of the pictures on Lightroom. Then I'll basically just send them to myself, and then once I have a really good picture, I'll basically just come up with a caption. Now, these captions, I come up with them when I'm at work. Like, it sounds really weird, but when you're at work, you're just kind of going through the motions and you get to brainstorm about a lot of things. And then one of the things I think about is a good caption for my Instagram post. So once I get that, basically I just find a really good picture. So today happens to be the 31st of December. So I made a pretty long caption here on my notes. So yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm so grateful I got to connect with so many like-minded people, blah, blah, blah. 2021, here we come. Hope you have a happy new year. That's it. So yeah, now I just copy and paste it into the Instagram app, and then I post it. And then obviously I do a couple hashtags as well, just so it can be seen by more people, but I don't know, I don't think it works that much anymore. But anyway, that's how I do the IG stuff. So yeah, now let's go eat breakfast.
You make it hard to say goodbye. I die a little every time. Find it impossible to leave you with that look in your eyes. So you make it hard to say goodbye.
So there's absolutely no denying that a good morning starts with a good breakfast. So I'm not a big breakfast eater. Like, hang on, let me just check the time for you guys really quick. So it's 11:03 right now, and yeah, when I wake up in the mornings, I'm just not that hungry. And now, as you guys would and should know, I eat French toast in the morning. I haven't had it for a while because the egg whites are so expensive. Like, it's literally $6 per carton, and I get like 4 servings out of that. So it's like $12 every week just on egg whites. And then I gotta buy the bread too, and then like the other stuff. So it's not really convenient. Oats and eggs, however, are like super cheap, super convenient, and like they're pretty tasty as well. So yeah, recently just eggs and oatmeal have been my go-to breakfast recently. Still really not hungry at all, but yeah, we're gonna eat this because I don't try to intermittent fasting. I try not to intermittent fast. I don't know if I said it properly, but I try not to do it because like I like to spread out my meals evenly throughout the day. It's just like I happen to do it on most days because I'm just not hungry in the mornings. Anyway, so eat this right now, and then we're gonna go for our morning walk.
I don't wanna wake you up when you smile in your sleep. I wonder what you're dreaming of. You got that temporary cherry blossom potion on your lips. I wanna swallow up your ocean, but I only got a sip, and there's an Uber on the way because my flight is in an hour. I still gotta pack a bag and brush my teeth and take a shower. So I take a mental picture cause I know I'm gonna need it. The hardest part of loving you is leaving. I don't want
the last nature walk of 2020. These nature walks, not just nature walks, but just walks in general, making sure I get 10,000 steps in every single day, has helped me tremendously to stay lean pretty much this entire year, because obviously I started off this year pretty, I want to say not chubby, but like I was definitely at a higher body fat percentage with less muscle, weighing more, so it's kind of weird. Right now I weigh a bit less, but I'm much stronger and I'm much leaner as well. So by simply incorporating like walks and just making sure you get enough steps in every single day can add up to burning a lot more calories than you think, and actually can help you stay lean while you're lean bulking as well. So definitely highly recommend you to incorporate these into your daily routine. Alright guys, what better way to end the year than with some banana oatmeal cookies. All you need is literally some oatmeal and bananas. That's literally it. I'm gonna mash these bananas up, put some oatmeal in there, and then bake them. While I'm doing that, my mom's making some cinnamon rolls, so we're cooking right now. It's all going down in the kitchen. Let me get my apron on and let's get cooking.
Actually, the best way to finish the year is with some gooey, delicious cinnamon buns. Woohoo! Yes.
Alright guys, a good rule of thumb to keep in mind is that for every banana you use 1 cup of oats. So if you're like me and you're using 4 bananas, you're going to use 4 cups of oats. Now you're just going to mix them together in a bowl until it forms into like a cookie dough. Okay, so very important step. Right now you're gonna wet your hands so they're nice and wet. Then with your wet hands, you're just gonna take a little ball, kind of like shape it into a ball, and just place it onto a baking sheet.
Excuse me, don't make such a mess here.
Sorry. There are no rules in the kitchen.
And what I really want to know is, why are you naked?
You have to do it. It just makes it taste 10 times better.
Oh, that's why. Oh, here we go.
And also, if you want, you can add some chocolate chips to them as well. So I'm gonna use half just normal, and then the other half I'll add chocolate chips for the kids. Alright guys, so 20 minutes have elapsed. Is that a word? 20 minutes have gone by. Okay, so I'm actually really looking forward to these. Like, it smells really good. So just banana and oatmeal. That's really good actually. Can you focus please? That's actually insane. Like the banana is naturally really sweet, so it gives it a natural sweetness, and the oats are, they're oats. They're good. It's actually really good, man.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, what the heck? Give me, taste it and give me a rating.
Okay.
Out of 10. Hit me with those digits.
It's like a 7.5.
7.5? Alright, I'll take that. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the gym and this is gonna be the last workout of 2020. Oh my god, I'm excited. It's gonna be a leg workout, so. But anyway, it should be good. We got the non-essential BCAAs right here. Even though they are useless, I still use them because like, I'm not just gonna have them in my house and not use them. Like, who does that? Like, obviously, it's not gonna hurt you if you take them. Like, if anything, it may be beneficial, but like, you don't need them, obviously. So yeah, last workout of the year. I am so stoked. I'm excited. Let's go. Last meal of 2020. How exciting. No reply, no comments, no response. Awkward silence. That's awesome. I appreciate the feedback. Still nothing, huh?
What's this guy talking about?
Told her when I get rich, I buy everything. We made love up on the stars, I gave her Saturn rings. When she look into my eyes, I can't feel anything. Swear to God, I'm paralyzed, and love is everything. Ooh, what am I supposed to?
Alright guys, so just took a cold shower and they do not get warmer. Like, you'd think after doing it for almost a month now that cold showers would somehow not be as cold as the first one, but they're all really cold and like it doesn't, like, you don't get used to them. Like, that's the thing, they're all very equally as uncomfortable as the other. With that said, we're about 2 hours away from the new year. I'm so excited, and let me just say, by the way, this year has been absolutely crazy. Like, I know like a lot of bad things have happened to a lot of people, including myself, but but I just don't really feel comfortable talking about what happened to me because I know much worse things have happened to other people. So yeah, hopefully going into the new year, it'll be a bit better. And now I know that at the beginning of this video, you guys saw me jinx it. 2020 just has a good ring to it, you know what I mean? So I feel like whatever your goals are, you're gonna reach them. Yeah, anyway, this year has been crazy, but I have learned a lot about myself, and I think I have grown a lot both physically and mentally. So I definitely think I've made the best out of this year given the situation, and I hope you guys did as well. Anyway, going into the new year, I'm so stoked. I don't want to jinx it by saying it's gonna be a good year because like we're still in this whole pandemic, so I don't necessarily know what's gonna happen in the future, but every single year is always a better year than a year before for me, and it should be for you as well. Each year you should strive to progress in something in life, whether it be in the gym, in life, in relationships, your skills, whatever. So hopefully in the new year I'll be able to continue doing what I'm doing right now and get better at it. So yeah, happy New Year's to every single one of you. Hope you all... Whoa!
Happy New Year!
Why would you scare me like that?
Sorry, a party downstairs. Come on now.
Yeah, I'm finishing the video. She scared the shit out of me. So before I end today's video, a meme I want to show you guys really quick. Does anyone else feel troubled by the fact that the name of the next year is literally 2021? So I think that's pretty funny, and I think it's fair to say that 2020 did win, but 2021, it's gonna be a bit different, hopefully. So yeah, let's make it a good year. I wish you all a happy new year. Let's go kill it. Anyway guys, with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video right here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I'd highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I don't wanna wake you up when you smile in your sleep. I wonder what you're dreaming of. You got that temporary cherry blossom potion on your lips. I wanna swallow up your ocean, but I only